Is your Ford Mustang 2011 to 2014 key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common cause. First, gently pry open the key fob case using a small flat tool like a screwdriver or guitar pick. Be careful not to damage the plastic clips. Inside, you'll find a CR2032 battery. Remove the old battery, noting the positive plus side facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Ensure correct orientation to prevent damage. Close the key fob case, making sure it snaps securely. This DIY repair typically takes 5 to 10 minutes. After replacing the battery, test the key fob's functions, including lock, unlock, trunk, and panic buttons to ensure everything works properly. If the fob still doesn't work, check for corroded battery contacts on the circuit board and clean them gently with rubbing alcohol to restore connection. Ensure the new battery is a quality brand CR2032 with exactly 3 volts. Cheap batteries can leak acid and damage the internal components. If problems persist after cleaning and battery replacement, the fob may need reprogramming. Some users reprogram using smartphone apps or by cycling the ignition key, but complex issues might require a dealer tool. For damaged cases or broken clips from improper opening, epoxy glue can provide a temporary fix to hold the fob together. If the remote functions aren't working, but the key blade still operates the ignition, it's most likely just a battery issue that the replacement should fix. If issues continue even after battery replacement, it may indicate a deeper problem, such as a faulty receiver module in the vehicle that requires professional diagnosis. Automotive technicians emphasize that battery replacement is 95% effective for remote not working complaints in these Mustang models, making it the first and most likely solution.